right? The reason that Bitcoin is magical is because there's only 21 million. I can create more real estate in New York City. I can create more cars. I can create more luxury watches. I can create more gold. I can create more shares of stock. I can create more bonds. I can create any commodity. They're commodities by definition. Given enough money and time, I can create infinite of any of them. Bitcoin is a scarcity. Okay, name another scarcity in the world, right? And technically, it's not clear there is another scarcity, right? A scarcity is something of which it is absolutely capped. If the price goes up by a factor of 1,000 or 1,000,000, it is absolutely capped. That is not the case with gold, soybeans, silver, stock, bonds, real estate, single-family homes, ships, planes, trains, nothing else. Everything else could be manufactured. And of course, if the price goes up, the incentive to manufacture more will go up, which is why, you know, buying a house isn't necessarily going to be a great store of value in an inflating economy, because you're going to have incentives for someone else to dilute the value of your house. If you do buy a house, better off to buy a house on land than a condo on the 57th floor of a building. And if you do buy it on land, better off to buy it on waterfront property. And if you buy waterfront property, better off to buy it on the beach. And if you buy it on the beach, you're better off to buy it in the most desirable location of affluent, intelligent people for the next 30 years.
I'm sure Pat has something to
Scarce
say about
pristine,
this.
which you had talked about, right?
Yeah.
You're better to be at scarce pristine or as close as you can.
And and you can do that for 10, 20, 30 years. That's Palm Beach, that's the Hamptons, right? You can figure that out. Now figure it out for 100 years.